Ever seen a math problem like this and had no idea where to start? Let's learn Pemdas rule. 8 plus 2 times 5 minus parentheses 3 plus 1. Well, guess what? There's a simple rule that makes it all super easy. It's called Pemdas. P-E-M-D-A-S. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And yes, there's a fun way to remember it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Let's break it down real quick. P is for parentheses. Always solve what's inside the parentheses first. E is for exponents, like squares and cubes. M and D are for multiplication and division. Go from left to right. A and S are for addition and subtraction, also left to right. Let's try an example. Here's the problem. 8 plus 2 times 5 minus parentheses 3 plus 1. Step 1, parentheses. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now the problem is 8 plus 2 times 5 minus 4. Step 2, exponents. There are none, so we skip it. Step 3, multiplication. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now we have 8 plus 10 minus 4. Step 4, addition and subtraction left to right. 8 plus 10 is 18. Then 18 minus 4 is 14. And that's your answer. See how easy that was? Now here's a common mistake. A lot of people think you should solve from left to right no matter what. But in math, the order matters. You have to do multiplication before addition, even if addition comes first in the sentence. That's why PEMDAS is so important. It's not just for school. It shows up in programming, engineering, and even apps like Excel. So next time you see a tricky math problem, just remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Learn it once, use it forever. And hey, if this helped, make sure to share it with a friend who still thinks addition comes before multiplication. Because now, you know better.